Hi, Excel champs. In this video, we're tackling one of life's great mysteries, why people name their kids like rejected cartoon characters. We're going to learn what to do when too many of the same names appear in a column. For example, over here, we've got a list of ridiculously stupid names that parents clearly gave their kids to ensure they develop personality through trauma. We've got Kneel Down, Chipmunk, Walter Melon. I mean, come on, these parents didn't need a baby name book, they needed an intervention. And as you can see, in this classroom of chaos, someone's clearly made a mistake. Some names are duplicated. Bad teacher, no Excel cookie for you. Chipmunk appears at number 19, and again at number 2. Yeah, apparently Chip cloned himself. Then there's Walter Melon, who's clearly splitting his time between comedy clubs and produce aisles. So, without having to go through each name one by one, because we're not medieval monks doing data entry, here's how to get rid of those duplicates faster than you can say HR spreadsheet audit. First, select all of the names, highlight that list like it owes you money. Make sure you're on the home ribbon. Then glide over to the data ribbon, the real MVP of Excel. Click on Remove Duplicates. That's this shiny button right here. Looks innocent, but it's about to commit data homicide. When you click it, Excel gives you options. Do you want to expand the selection or continue with the current selection? Since I'm not a complete fool, and I can actually use a mouse, I'll click Continue with the current selection. Then hit Remove Duplicates. Excel pops up another window with even more options because apparently it's needy. You can select all or unselect all. I'm happy with my choice because I'm decisive, unlike whoever named Chipmunk. Bring your mouse down to OK and click it. Excel proudly declares, 4 duplicate values found and removed. 17 unique values remain. Ah, yes. Finally, some exclusivity. We've gone from cheap knockoffs to limited edition names. Click OK. Boom. 4 duplicates gone. Like magic. Or layoffs. Notice it hasn't touched the other sections. They're sitting there like bored extras in a spreadsheet movie. If you wanted the whole table included, you'd have to select everything. So let's hit Ctrl+Z, aka the Oops, Never Mind button, and try that. Now, we'll select the whole table, march yourself back to the data ribbon, and this time, click Remove Duplicates again. Deselect Bully Meter, deselect Column B, and make sure you tick My data has headers unless you enjoy chaos. We've got our column of ridiculous names, chosen by parents selected. Click OK. Excel thinks for half a second, probably judging you, and then says, 4 duplicate values found and removed, 18 unique values remain. Click OK, and voila, this time it kept the numbers on either side intact. The aftermath. You'll notice some numbers are now missing, like that one kid who mysteriously transferred schools. We've got 1, 2, 3, but 10's gone. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, but 16's gone too. And 19? Poof, gone. Probably eloped with a duplicate. But hey, no more twin chips, no more clone melons, just a clean, pure, emotionally damaged list of single entries. And that's how you remove duplicates in Excel, clean, simple, and mildly satisfying. It's like exfoliating your spreadsheet, scrub off the trash, keep the glow. So next time your column looks like it was copy-pasted by a raccoon on caffeine, just remove duplicates. Now go forth and cleanse your data, Beyonce style. I'm a survivor. I'm not gone duplicate.